On Monday, April 11th, 2022, Capital Link is organizing the 23rd Annual Capital Link Invest in Greece Forum, a new era, a new direction for Greece in New York City. The forum is an international summit that promotes Greece to a global audience. It will showcase the significant progress made so far and the potential that lies ahead. It will highlight Greece's competitive advantages and focus on business and investment opportunities across the major sectors of the economy. Held in cooperation with the New York Stock Exchange and major global investment banks, the forum will feature the Greek delegation comprised of the highest-ranking members, a group of private sector business leaders, international investors, and financiers who will share their insight on Greece as a business and investment destination. After 2 years of lockdown, this forum will be held physically in New York City. Doors open at 8 a.m. and the summit will conclude by a dinner reception. For more information, please visit www.capitallink.com.